Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burrito roti, an easy guide for a fantastic meal. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of oil for the dough. Don't forget to have your favorite burrito fillings ready to go. This process is straightforward and yields incredibly tasty results, perfect for any meal. Now, let's get our hands into making the perfect roti dough. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a half teaspoon of salt in a large mixing bowl. Gradually add 1 cup of warm water, mixing until a soft, shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender roti. With our dough rested, it's time to roll and cook our roti. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it into a thin, round disc, aiming for about 8 inches in diameter. Heat a flat pan or griddle over medium-high heat. Cook each roti for approximately 1 minute per side, or until you see golden brown spots appearing. They should puff up slightly, indicating they are perfectly cooked and ready for your fillings. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, assembling your delicious burrito roti. Place a warm, freshly cooked roti on a clean surface. Spoon your desired fillings, such as seasoned rice, flavorful beans, and your choice of protein, right onto the center. Carefully fold in the sides of the roti, then roll it up tightly from the bottom, creating a neat, portable burrito. Serve your homemade burrito roti immediately and savor every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.